like I got something to prove. Slap the shit out me a nigga if he acting like a fool. And bitches tried to hold me back when I was up.
So I forgot I was supposed to be vlogging. Oh, the light changing. But here are my nails. I need to be getting my toes done. I don't even know when I'm gonna do that, but yeah. Hey you guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday. It's 9:18. I just went to my first class and I have like a 4-hour gap into my next class, so I'm just like, let me just go to the nail salon today. I really could have went yesterday. I got out of class around 3, but I did some shopping and I just ended up going home. I was just ready to lay down. But yeah, I should have dropped my wig off yesterday too, but I just wasn't thinking about the fact that I need to drop it off. But I'm sorry y'all, I'm out of breath. I don't know what nail salon I want to go to. The nail salon I go to is like on my side of town and I'm by my school, so I just want to stay over here. Some of the nail salons don't open till 10, so I wouldn't want to go in there right when they just opening up. So I'm gonna just have to find somewhere that opened around like 9 or whatever. Yeah. So I'm finna go to McDonald's first, and then I'ma just decide on which nail salon I'm finna go to. I might just be looking around and see what's on the block and just pick one. I'm trying to find one that has like a little bit over 4 stars at the very least. But there's this one, I don't know, they sound like they appointment only though. So I don't know. But I'm sure they not busy on a Wednesday morning. I just stopped at McDonald's and the line is long. It's gonna take me a minute. Oh, she walking back. Oh, just walk in front of me, girl. I thought she was, I don't know why I thought that was like the truck driver walking to the truck. But y'all, I'm finna vent real quick. But why is it that when you go to a nail salon, first of all, I will walk in and nobody will greet me, nobody will ask me when I'm getting done, like, and then like sometimes you'll go in, you'll sit down, you waiting, and you see somebody like they just sitting, you know what I mean? They just sitting at their little station, not servicing anybody. Like, can you start me? Like, and before y'all say anything, I'll be going to the nail salon in the morning. I go 30 minutes or so after they open, so it's not even like they on break or something, because how you on break and you only been working for like 30 minutes? But, and y'all, I always tip, you know, I don't give people a hard time, nothing like that. So yeah, that's just my little rant for the day. But I'm finna pull up to this window. Hold on.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tells me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. You know we never done. I'm getting on with you. I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely.
I just got out the nail salon. I was in and out. Perfect service. No complaints. My toes, they look perfect. He did his thing. But why? Oh, and my total was like $52, which is a real good price for gel French tips. You know, I always got to get my gel polished. But so why he was finishing up my French tips at this point, and why I thought I saw a little bug crawl, like a little roach crawl under the foot part. You know where you put your feet at and it's kind of like a little space in there? Yeah, under there I could sworn I seen a little roach crawl in there. So I gotta be tweaking. It's like no way I just saw a bug crawl under there. I can't turn with one hand. I was trying to do that, but yeah. So I don't even know what to say, y'all. But the service was perfect. Like, I really don't have no complaints for real. But I could have sworn I just seen a bug. And that just, like, once you see a bug, you feel itchy. You feel like something crawling on you. Like, I just felt so tense. I'm like, oh my God, let him hurry up and put this top coat on so I can get up out of here. But the little paste they was using was like, it was like a mint paste, mint exfoliator, and my like legs is still tingling. I don't know, like I was about to say, am I allergic to mint? I guess mint just make everybody skin tingle. What else I was gonna say? And he put some coconut oil on my skin as I was coming out. It looks like they took my freaking spot. But yeah, he put some coconut oil on me. My skin feel all soft and smooth. My toes look good. But let me pay attention before I hit this Tesla. I don't want to hit no Tesla. I don't got no money to fix no Tesla. Y'all, I'm just talking. I'm just running my mouth. But that's all for today. I wanted to show y'all my nails too that I got done the other day. Here are my nails that I got done the other day. I don't think I really showed y'all good. But why this nail already chipped like a day later? I probably should have got them shorter. But I mean, I guess they will do. But that's all for today. I'm gonna see y'all on Friday. We're getting our hair done and we getting our lash extensions. So I'll see y'all then. Good morning, guys. It's Friday and it's 8:40. My lash appointment is at 9. I'm finna head there now. But while my car is heating up, I'll just update y'all. Today, getting my lashes done. After that, I gotta get some money out because my ATM was like closed last night for some reason. Then I gotta pick up my strawberry, my dip strawberry arrangement thing. I might show you guys that. I don't know. It's kind of like a gag gift, I guess you could say. Then we're gonna see what time, like how long that takes me. But I gotta go to my organic chemistry class. I'm definitely not skipping that, cause y'all, you just gotta show up to every class, or you just gonna fail your test. Like, you gotta be there for every class. After that, so I get out that class at like around 2:20. We usually get out a little bit earlier than that, and then I have my hair appointment at 3:30. Now that was like the latest time she had, so I'm gonna come back here, probably get here about 2:50. I'm gonna just like take my hair out and go over it. Yeah, hold on. Oh wait, I think that's my hair. My hairstylist just texted me if I could come earlier. Maybe she just wanted me to come earlier. If not, that's fine. Anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna blow out my hair, and then go right to my appointment. Her shop isn't far, so I should be fine. But yeah, let me text this girl back and see what's up. Hi. Yeah, with Lizzie. Lizzie.
Okay, you can wait on the car. She should be ready.
Okay.
Good morning, girl. You're so pretty.
Y'all, this lighting is kind of awkward. I have to show y'all when I get in, but here we are. Y'all, I need to hurry up. I need to go pick up my strawberries because it's 12 now. I told the girl it's 11:58. I told her I'm gonna come around like 12 to come get them, and then I'm gonna go to class, and I'm gonna run home, and I'm gonna get my hair done. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all in a different lighting though. All right, so I'm back home. It's 12:30. My class is at 1:30. So the berry lady, she texted me and she said that she's not gonna be ready till 1. And I was gonna get mad, but she's like right by my school, probably like 2 minutes away from there. So on the way to school, I'm gonna just stop there, get my berries, and then go to class, and then go get my hair done. So yeah. And what y'all think about the lashes? All right, last stop. I'm finna go get my hair done. I just stopped at home. I got here a little early, so I had 15 minutes or so to sit down. But then I'm finna be on the way there. The place is pretty close, so I can probably leave a little later. I'm gonna see. It's been a long day. My head hurt. Like, I just did a whole lot today. Luckily, everything kind of went as planned. So yeah, but I'm so tired and drained. But I'll see y'all when I get to my appointment.
Everybody don't want to look plain Jane natural.
Too plastic. I don't want to look.
All right, y'all. So I just got home. The hair is done. Y'all ready? I'm sure y'all already seen it in the thumbnail, but is y'all ready? I got a little ponytail with the rest down. Y'all, I love my hair. This hair is, this wig feel different than the other wigs I got. Maybe because it's a higher density. I got the 250 density. What lace? Y'all, I really like my hair. I'm just like, I need to try on some outfits to see what I'm finna wear with this, but it's giving. She really did her big one. Like, she really did her big one. Let me show y'all the edges. Here the edges is. I don't know how I'm gonna keep up with this. But yeah, I'm glad I decided on getting this style because it's so cute. I'm probably gonna add some stuff at the end, but so this video ain't too long. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. My next video, I'm probably gonna do like a Valentine's Day get ready with me type of thing. I might do a vlog, we're gonna see. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.